Good afternoon, welcome to another promotional video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. This afternoon we are showcasing our Volkswagen Tiguan. It's a 2-litre TDI BlueMotion Tech SE. It's a start-stop 2-litre diesel manual. This is 4Motion, so it's 4-wheel drive. 2013 plate. One of the really nice things about this car is it's one owner from new, and it's only covered 39,000 miles by the one owner. So it's a one owner low mileage example. Has quite exceptional service history, 10 services in total, and it had a new cam belt at 25,000 miles. So it's already had a cam belt. Obviously really well maintained, pampered car by its one owner. Comes with leather trim, satellite navigation, Bluetooth, DAB digital radio, 6-speed 2-litre diesel manual. Obviously it says 4Motion down there in front of the gear lever. Start, stop, park sensors, city steering, so you can lighten the steering for parking. Little tables in the back, which you can fold away. Obviously, low mileage, one owner, beautiful condition. Probably the best service history you'll find. Completely over serviced. That can only be a good thing. Beautifully clean everywhere. Comes with a space saver spare wheel, warning triangle, toolkit, it's all in there. So this car is priced at £11,995. As you can see, rear park sensors, aluminium roof rails, privacy glass. Got Dunlop sport tyres, or Dunlop sport tyres all round. Obviously no expense spared. Front park sensors, front fog lamps. So the perfect family SUV this. 39,255 miles. As I say, with satellite navigation, hill hold, beautiful example for £11,995. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk or visit us at Barclay Motor Company on our social media channels, Barclay Motor Company on Facebook or Insta, or please go to YouTube and find the Barclay Motor Company channel. That's where this video and all our car videos end up. Thank you for your time today. Goodbye.